Hi everybody. Today we're going to make Scottish Cranachan cheesecake with Italian mascarpone. Here's the ingredients, but they're also listed on the description and on the blog. But you're going to be using Scottish oats and Scottish honey, Italian mascarpone, a wee bit more Scottish honey, and a dash of Scotch whiskey. Now you can find the full instructions on the blog for La Bella Vita Cucina. Here are the ingredients again. You'll need Scottish honey, mascarpone cheese, vanilla, lemon juice, and look at those raspberries. So beautiful. First thing you want to do is toast the oats and the brown sugar in the oven, and then you remove them from the parchment into a bowl where you're going to break them into smaller chunks and crumbs. Then you're going to mix in the graham cracker crumbs with butter and sugar. Then get your springform pan and press down into the pan. You don't need to put any butter or cooking spray at the bottom of the pan. With your fingers, then push the crumbs down, making the sides a little higher. Then you're going to add your cream cheese plus creamy Italian mascarpone cheese. The mascarpone is what makes this cheesecake more creamy than a normal cheesecake would be. Then you get your hand mixer out and blend those two together. Add the lemon juice, the vanilla, and oh, that Scottish honey. It's so delicious. Mix them together nicely. Then gradually add the sugar. Blend, add more sugar. Blend, add more sugar. And then you add a little bit of salt, some flour, and then you add the 5 eggs and mix those in nicely. Then you're going to add in 2 egg yolks and mix those in thoroughly as well. Now add the little bit of cream, blend it in completely. Oh, doesn't that look lovely? Oh, so luscious. Remove the pan from the fridge and pour the filling all over the top of the crust. And there's a lot. This is an 8-inch or a 9-inch springform pan. Spread it evenly all over the top. Then bake per instructions in the description or on the blog. Once it's done, pour the raspberries in a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar, and then gently coat the raspberries, and gentle is the key word. The sugar is going to liquefy, but I also add syrup from the pie filling. Again, gently mix into these tender berries. Place the cheesecake on a wide platter, carefully removing the sides of the pan. And then you're going to spoon the berries on top. These are a lot of berries. There's 4 tubs of raspberries here. Now when you're putting this on, let the syrup drip along the sides. Garnish with fresh raspberries. And buon appetito. For more delicious recipes, please visit the blog. Thank you for being here today. Ciao for now. I hope you subscribe. Please hit the like button too.